Hello and welcome to our Karatpay video tutorial. In this video, we will show you how you can use your Karatpay back office. Before I present you the website www.karatpay.net and its special features, I would like to show you some features in your Karatbars back office regarding Karatpay. Please go to karatbars.com and log into your Karatbars back office. After that, please go to the upper section of the main menu to Karatpay and select the subsection Karatpay. If you followed me up to this point, you will be able to see a summary of your wallet's information, wallet balance, wallet number, and general information given at the time of the registration. On the left side, you will see a subsection. Please click on the second button, Load Wallet. With the feature Unload eWallet, you can transfer your cash gold from Karatpay to Karatbars. This is a prerequisite if you acquired via your Karatpay or stored physical gold in your Karatpay and would like us to send it to you. With the feature Cash Gold Delivery Request, gold physically stored in your Karatpay account will be deliverable. If you select the last option in the subsection Login link for Karatpay, you will be directed to the www.karatpay.net website. There you will be able to submit your email and password, which you have submitted before at the registration. You can also go directly to www.karatpay.net and log into the site without going through the Karatbars back office. After you log in at karatpay.net with your email and password, you will be directed to the Karatpay back office and see the global overview, My Account. You can come back to this overview every time by simply clicking on the Home button on the upper left side. In the global overview, you will find a summary of your account information, your account balance, and your last 5 wallet transactions. Above your global overview, you can find a bar with 6 different blue buttons. The first 4 buttons, the same as the last button, Profile, Balance, Transaction Overview, Wallet Limits and Lockout, can be found in the taskbar on the right. The 5th button is the Support button, where you can email our support team with your questions and concerns. Let us check the taskbar step by step. If you click on My Account, a subsection will appear. The first option is the Global Overview, in which we are now. After that one is the Balance option. Here you can exactly see how many cash gold gram you have in your wallet. Here you can select your wallet and in which period, start date and end date, it should display its transactions. If you click on the next subsection, Profile, you can view your profile data and modify it if necessary. Changing your own password is the last subsection under My Account. If you want to change your password, first enter your current password and then 2 times the new one. When done, click on the Submit and you will have successfully changed your password. The next menu section is Transfer Funds. If you click on this option, 2 subsections will appear. Let's go to the Manage Favorite Wallets. There you can save your favorite wallets, which you will need at the time of transferring gold to another wallet. You can enter the wallet account here and give it a nickname to find it faster. If you have created several favorite wallets, they will appear in the second area at Manage Favorite Wallets. In the From Wallet to Wallet section, you will be able to transfer cash gold from one account to the other account. First, choose from which wallet it should go. And second, to which wallet you want your cash gold to be transferred. In the third field, enter the amount of gold in grams. At the end, you can also enter an intended purpose for a special case and then click on Preview Transfer. Then we would have already successfully transferred cash gold. The next section is Buy Cash Gold. Here you can load up your account with cash gold with your credit card. First, select the wallet you want to load up. Second, enter the amount. please in euros. Third step, please state with which credit card you would like to pay, the expiration date of your credit card, month and year, and the CVV number. When clicking on the preview transfer, you will be credited with cash gold. With the Upgrade Business Account function, you can upgrade your free account to a business account. Within our Karatpay system, you profit with your business account from the additional income when purchasing cash gold. Under the last two sections of the wallet limits, you can view your KYC status. Note, if your account hasn't been approved by Karatbars, you can charge your wallet with maximum 30 grams of gold. After being approved, there is no limit. The last menu section corresponds to the logout, which you can use to log out at the push of a button. Thank you for watching and have a golden day. Your Karatbars team.